Hello everyone, I am Suchita Mori. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic of matrices, inverse of a matrix by partitioning method. Learning objectives. Student can understand the concept of partitioning method, and by using this concept and knowledge, they can solve the examples of inverse of a matrix by partitioning. Method for solving the problems. Here, if A matrix is given 3 by 3 matrix, then or 4 by 4 matrix, we have to divide this, partitioning this into 4 parts. Maybe order is different, no problem. Only condition is that we have to reduce this matrix or divide this matrix into 4 parts. Now, here we divide these into 4 parts. Now here we denote this as A equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. These are the four parts. And then here A11 equal to 2 by 2 matrix. A12 is 2 by 1 matrix. A21 is 1 by 2 matrix. And A22 is 1 by 1 matrix. If 4 by 4 matrix is there, we have to divide this into 2 by 2, all four matrices A11, A12, A21 and A22 in 2 by 2 matrix, or we can divide in any type. Then A inverse equal to B11, B12, B21 and B22. Now how we find out is B11 to B22 values? Now, here condition is that this determinant of A11 is not equal to 0. Otherwise, inverse does not exist. Now, safe for solving the problems of partitioning method, here first step, here we have to find out A11 inverse. Then x equal to A11 inverse into A12. Third step, y equal to A21 into A11 inverse. And fourth step, we have to find out theta value A22 minus y into A12. Now fifth step is we have to find out theta inverse, that means this is the value of B22. Then sixth step, B11 value by using the formula, then B12 and B21. And then we substitute all these four values in this matrix and write down the value of A inverse. This is the method and these are the steps for solving the problems of partitioning method. Now we discuss example. Find the inverse of a matrix by partitioning method. Here 3 by 3 matrix is given. Therefore, we consider this 3 by 3 matrix and we divide this matrix into 4 parts. These are the 4 parts where A11 equal to 2 by 2 matrix, A212 equal to 2 by 1 matrix, A21 is 1 by 2 matrix and A22 is 1 by 1 matrix. Then we find out here first A11, this value should not equal to 0. Therefore A11 determinant of this value equal to this is not equal to 0, its value equal to 1. If this value equal to 0, then we have to change the columns and then find out the result, and lastly again we interchange the column and find out the required result. Now here A11 inverse equal to, now for 2 by 2 matrix we change the diagonal elements and interchange the change the sign of remaining two elements. Then x equal to, this is the second step. Here 2 by 2 matrix and here 2 by 1 matrix. After multiplication of these two terms we get 2 by 1 matrix. This is the matrix here, 4 into 3 plus minus 3 into 3. In this way, we simplify the terms. For second row, for this column, we get these elements, and after simplification, we get 3 and 0. Similarly, next step y equal to, here we substitute the values of a to 1, that means 1 by 2 matrix, a 1 inverse, that means 2 by 2 matrix. After multiplication of these, we get 1 by 2 matrix, that means here 1 and 0. Then theta equal to, we substitute the values here, a22 minus y and into a12. Multiply by the terms, find out the value of theta. Theta is 1 by 1 matrix. And then we easily find out theta inverse value, that means 1. If the value of theta is 5, then we write down the theta inverse as 1 by 5. Here 1, therefore 1 by 1, its value is 1. Now B11, we substitute all these values in the matrix and simplify the multiplication, addition of the matrices, and then we get the required result. Now here B11, required value of B11, here 2 by 1 matrix and here 1 by 2, that means 2 by 2, and then after this we add the terms, and B11 value is 2 by 2 matrix 7 minus 3 minus 1 1. Now B12, here x is 2 by 1 matrix, theta inverse is 1 by 1. After multiplication we get 2 by 1 matrix, that means 3 0. Then B21 is minus theta inverse y, its value equal to. Now lastly, here these B11, B12, B21 and B22 values are these. We substitute these values and write down the A inverse. A inverse, that means these we write down complete value. Then B12, here B21 and B22, which is the required matrix or inverse of the matrix by partitioning method. The main important thing is that we have to reduce this given matrix or partitioning this matrix, given matrix, into four parts. May be equal, maybe order is equal order or may be different, no problem. We can easily solve this by applying formulas of partitioning method. Thank you.